Hi everybody, my name is Badmus Adeshina from Nigeria, Osun State to be precise. I'm here to describe and to tell you what TBC is. The billion coin. TBC is one of the cryptocurrency around the world, and TBC is a game changer. There are a lot of people that have been asking, especially our Muslim brothers, that is cryptocurrency halal? So I do tell some of them that when I joined TBC, before I joined TBC, there was a guy I met then. He asked me, I said, okay, do I need to join? He said yes, but is this thing halal? He said yes. Okay, I now went, I googled search. When I googled it out, I saw it was written boldly in Arabic that halal. It was then I now started to be trying to join. So I read everything about TBC then and other cryptocurrency, and I was so convinced that this is what I've been looking for, because there are a lot of illegal business on the internet. But when I got across to this guy, he explained everything from A to Z. I joined then. When I joined, I now become an apostle of TBC, explaining to people, talking to people here and there, both young and old. There was a day I met a man. I explained everything about TBC to him. And now said, okay, he said he has changed his mind, that he don't even have any interest on it before that. He will be thinking about it. But when I explained every damn thing to him, that this is how this thing is working, I explained about Bitcoin, that Bitcoin has been staying up to 8 years in existence now. But TBC is not even up to a year. That was the time I was explaining to the man. The man now said, okay, before he can know that this thing is true, that I should show some evidences. So I showed him that a lot of people that have used TBC to buy car then, bought land, pay school fees, even in Nigeria here, before the same button was removed then. Now the man now told me that he's having about 4 plots of land, that he would like me to be 50, to buy the land 50-50. He will sell all of the 4 plots to me if I can pay 50-50. So I will pay half of the price in TBC and half of the price in Nigerian money. I told the man that I've decided not to use Naira. If I want to buy anything with TBC, I will promise that I will not use any other currency except TBC. And to be 100%, I will have to buy that land. Okay, the man now says he cannot even sell up the 4 plots then, that he will sell 2 for me. Now, when he told me so, okay, I agreed. We calculated the price then at the initial price, the current price then. We calculated it and I pay for the 2 plots. 100% TBC here in Osun State, Osogbo to be precise. Now, since then, it was when I transferred the amount, it was even spent up to a month, because the wallet is saying there are a lot of problems there. We couldn't transfer, and even if you transfer from your own hand here, the receiver will not get your transfer. They will not get the amount. So it's spent up to 2 months before the man can get the transaction I made for that land. So after that, the man just called me one day that yeah, he has gotten the transaction that is done, that he can now testify that TBC is real. And I laugh. I went to him. So we did the deals, the paper, everything was given to me. We went to a lawyer and they signed the document of the land. So I'm having the land now, and there are a lot of instances everywhere. There are a lot of people using TBC to transact. There was a guy that even used TBC to buy. I thought he bought up to 5 Camry then, before the send button was disabled then in Lagos during a trade fair. He bought that 5 cars with TBC, 100% TBC. Now, I don't want you to lose your future. I don't want your children to be abusing you that dad, what are you looking? Where are you when others are investing? Let me tell you, you can be a millionaire or a billionaire in nearby future if you invest in TBC now. Our admin has done many things. They have done many things for us about TBC. Let me tell you, there is no any cryptocurrency in the whole world that do give free gift. TBC has been doing they started from 100,000 Kringles for 3 months. They now move, after that 3 months, they moved to 50,000 Kringles for another 3 months. Now we are in 25,000 Kringles. It's going to spend a whole year to give people. So you can, with that, you can start from somewhere. If someone can just say to start with that, they can give you 25,000 Kringles. That 25,000 Kringles in Naira now, Nigerian money, is up to 300,000 Naira. So what are you waiting for? I want everybody to be part of this life changer. Let me tell you, TBC is going to rule the world. Whether you like it or not, it's better now. It's better now for you to join. I want everybody to be part of it. That's what is coming up now. Fiat exchange. Maybe in some months, some weeks to come. In some weeks to come now, we'll be able to change TBC into our local currency all over the world. There is about 10,000 testers that will start with it. After 3 months, the admin told us that every member of TBC community will be able to convert at least $500 in a week of TBC to any currency you want in the world. So I want you to, there are some people that do say na lie. This is just a reality. This real money. TBC is going to rule the world. It's already ruling my own world. So don't just think that people are just making mouth. This is not MMM. This is not Ponzi scheme. So I want everybody to be alert. And there's no any easy money anywhere. When you are in TBC, you have to work hard. You work for your money. So help us God. Thank you, everybody.